Which side do you prefer, matte or glowy? You guys remember those Dior samples I tried on a couple weeks ago? Well, Dior has officially reinvented their #1 foundation, and we have 2 different finishes. We have Skin Glow. This is a naturally radiant glowy finish, and we have Skinwear, which is this gorgeous second skin-like matte finish. I want to apply these side by side to really show you the difference in the formulas. I want you guys to pick which is your favorite. We are starting on this side with Forever Skin Glow. This is a medium to full coverage finish. I played around with these for a few weeks, so I really know. I prefer 1 layer of this. I think it's the perfect amount of coverage. They're both long wearing. They give you up to 24 hours of wear. Since I've been wearing this, I have noticed an improvement in my skin overall. It feels more radiant, even. I mean, just look at my skin. The finish on this one is just so gorgeous. Now we are on to Skinwear. What I love about both of these formulas is that they share the same skincare powered core, meaning you're getting hyaluronic acid, niacinamide, peptides with both of these formulas. You can just see how hydrating and nourishing that is on the skin, and it really feels so light. All right, guys, here is the final look. We have both sides complete. It's honestly so hard to choose a favorite. I love both of these formulas. I love that I'm really taking care of my skin and also protecting it. These both have SPF in them. I want to know which formula you prefer.